Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide friend list on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your friend list on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. And after opening your Facebook app guys, on this interface, you can see there's a three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen just below the messenger icon. And you land over here. Again tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And scroll down from over here until you can find the audience and visibility, and you can see there is the audience and visibility over here, and you can see the third option that says how people can find and contact you. Tap on how people can find and contact you, and you can see at the top of the screen there are two options where it says how people can find and contact you, and the second option here it says who can see your friends list. Tap on the option that says who can see your friends list, and you can see guys there are six kinds of options available for us. You can see you can show your friend list depending upon your wish, from public to close friends. And if you want to totally hide your friends on Facebook, just tap on the only me button and tap on the save button. That way all of your friend list on Facebook, or all the persons who are friends or with you on Facebook, will be hidden. And there guys, this is the way you will be able to hide your friends on Facebook. And if you have any confusions if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.